Okay, guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're watching from. Please like, subscribe, and share right. Hit the subscribe button right here. You rock. That Good morning and welcome to EBEONADI, the 103.5 FM. Today, the 28th day of October 2024. Today is Monday, and the time is 2 minutes past the hour of 7. It's time for newspaper headlines on EBEONADI, the 103.5 FM. This morning, we are going to take you through the news making the headlines on Nigerian newspapers. But before we do that, let's go for a short break. When we come back, we'll continue on the stories making the headlines. Please stay with us.